Welcome, explorers, to another exciting journey of discovery. Today, we're delving into the unique and intriguing region of Kaliningrad. Nestled between Poland and Lithuania, Kaliningrad is a Russian exclave with a rich history and vibrant culture. So, buckle up as we uncover 10 fascinating facts about this hidden gem. Fact 1. Kaliningrad's historical roots. Our journey begins with a historical fact. Did you know that Kaliningrad was formerly known as Königsberg? This city was part of East Prussia until the end of World War II, when it became part of the Soviet Union. Fact 2. Amber capital of the world. Kaliningrad is often referred to as the amber capital of the world. The region is abundant in this fossilized tree resin, and you can find beautiful amber pieces in local markets and museums. Fact 3. Curonian Spit, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. One of Kaliningrad's natural wonders is the Curonian Spit. This narrow sand dune peninsula stretches along the Baltic Sea and is shared with Lithuania. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, boasting unique landscapes and diverse flora and fauna. Fact 4. Immanuel Kant's hometown. Kaliningrad is proud to be the hometown of the famous philosopher Immanuel Kant. The city's cathedral is his final resting place, and you can visit the Kant Museum to learn more about his life and contributions to philosophy. Fact 5. The House of Soviets. In the heart of Kaliningrad stands the House of Soviets, a massive, unfinished building that was meant to be a symbol of Soviet power. Today, it remains incomplete, yet it's an intriguing testament to the region's history. Fact 6. Baltisk, Russia's westernmost city. Did you know that Baltisk, located in Kaliningrad, is Russia's westernmost city? It's a strategic naval base and a fascinating place to explore, with its rich maritime history. Fact 7. The Kaliningrad Amber Museum. Back to amber. The Kaliningrad Amber Museum is a true gem. Housed in a former fort, it showcases a stunning collection of amber artifacts, including the famous Amber Room replica. Fact 8. Kaliningrad's unique geopolitical situation. Kaliningrad's geopolitical situation is truly unique. It's a part of Russia separated from the mainland, surrounded by EU countries. This distinct location adds a layer of complexity to the region's identity. Fact 9. The dancing forest of Curonian Spit. Nature lovers, take note. The Curonian Spit is also home to the dancing forest, where the pine trees exhibit bizarre, contorted shapes. The exact cause of this phenomenon remains a mystery. Fact 10. Forts and bastions, relics of the past. Explore Kaliningrad's historical forts and bastions that once formed part of the city's defense system. These well-preserved structures offer a glimpse into the history of the region. And there you have it, 10 fascinating facts about Kaliningrad, a place where history, nature, and culture come together to create a truly extraordinary destination. Join us again for more adventures in exploration. Until then, happy travels!